The YPQR is an isosceles. YPQ and this R is an isosceles. So for us to confirm if that is the case, we have to solve. We have to solve for this angle. We solve for this angle. Solve for this angle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle whose base are the same. So it has to be really like this, then we have this. Okay. So this base and this should be the same. This angle and this should be the same. So let's see. Let's figure it out quickly. Let me just get rid of this. So now if we want to solve that, okay. First of all, we can easily get this angle here. Okay. So let's put letters. Let's say this is T, this is Q, and this is R. T plus 100 equals 180 degrees. Adjacent angles are supplementary, meaning they add up to 180 degrees, right? So you have your T plus 100 equals 180 minus 100 minus 100. This and this goes to my T is equals to 80 degrees. Okay. So we have T as 80 degrees. Once we know this angle here is 80, we can get this angle here. Now I'm going to show you. You have this line. You have its transversal line like this. Then you have this other line. That is what is happening here. This is Q, this is S, and this is P, this is V. These are parallel lines. We know this angle, which is 80, we calculated. We don't know this. But if we want to find that, since this is a Z shape, whether it's only this way, then this angle here is the same as this. They are alternate angles. Let's say if this is W, so W is equal to 80 degrees, you say alternate angles. Now, once you get that as alternate angle, you can calculate this angle, this remaining angle now, okay? You can say 80 plus W plus R. Remember, this angle is R. Is equals to 180 degrees, because if you look at this is a straight line, yeah, and this angle, you add this, then you add this one, they are angles on a straight line, right? But you already know this W. So 80 plus this again, 80 plus R equals 180 degrees. Okay, so this becomes 160 plus R equals 180 minus 160 minus 160. This and this goes, so your R is 20 degrees, okay? So if R is 20, this R here, this is 20 degrees. And you have this as 80, you can easily calculate Q. So you say Q plus R plus 80, which is already there, is equals to 180 degrees. Say angles in a triangle. So I can take this one, then, but we know what is R is 20. So Q plus 20 plus 80 equals 180 degrees. So my Q is equals to 180 degrees minus. So you add this, which is 100. So my Q is 80 degrees. Now, if we redraw the diagram, because we are asked to explain why angle triangle PQR is an isosceles. The justification we have to make. Okay. So now if we draw that diagram again, okay. So what do you notice? You have this as 20. This one was 80. Then this again is 80. So because the base angles are both 80, we can draw this, which shows that it is an isosceles triangle indeed.